Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into an exciting and eco-friendly solution for your laundry needs. This is the best True Earth laundry strips review you'll find. If you're tired of the bulky plastic jugs and complicated measuring that come with traditional laundry detergents, then stay tuned because these strips are here to change the game. True Earth has crafted a product that's lightweight, easy to use, and surprisingly effective. Each strip weighs just 0.1 ounces, making it incredibly convenient. No more spills, no more mess. Just toss a strip in with your laundry, and you're good to go. Using these laundry strips couldn't be simpler. Just tear off one strip of detergent and one strip of fabric softener. Yes, you heard that right. This bundle comes with both, and throw them into your washing machine. It works in all machines, including high-efficiency models, so you won't have to worry about compatibility. What's even better is that these strips are eco-friendly. They come in plastic-free, recyclable packaging, aligning perfectly with those of us looking to reduce our carbon footprint. By switching to True Earth, you're not just making laundry easier, you're also contributing to a healthier planet. Let's talk about performance. Each strip is ultra-concentrated, meaning it delivers powerful cleaning without the need for harsh chemicals. True Earth's formula is free from chlorine bleach, phosphates, and parabens, making it gentle on your fabrics and safe for your family. Plus, it's hypoallergenic, which is a huge plus if you have sensitive skin. And if you love the feeling of fresh laundry, you're in luck. The fragrance-free option keeps your clothes smelling clean without overpowering scents, which is perfect for those who prefer a more natural aroma. Or, if you fancy something a little more aromatic, the fresh linen scent adds a delightful, subtle fragrance to your laundry. Not only are these strips effective in cleaning, but they also help maintain vibrant colors and restore whites to their radiant best. This is especially important for anyone who loves wearing colorful clothes or maintaining white linens. Another major benefit is storage. True Earth strips take up virtually no space compared to those cumbersome bottles. This makes them an ideal choice for college dorms, RVs, or anyone looking to save space at home. No more juggling with bulky jugs. Just a simple, neat package that fits perfectly on your shelf. Before we wrap up, let's highlight that the True Earth Eco Strips aren't just a laundry product, they're a lifestyle choice. They represent a shift towards sustainability while still providing you with the quality cleaning you expect from your detergent. Plus, they're cruelty-free and septic-safe. So, if you're ready to simplify your laundry routine and make a positive impact on the environment, give True Earth laundry strips a try. You won't just love the way your clothes look and feel, but you'll also feel great knowing you're doing your part for the planet. Thanks for joining me today for this review of True Earth laundry strips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, happy washing.